was in Nigeria, I didn't know about anything like health insurance. I was naive. It was when I left Nigeria, I came to know that health insurance really is existing. For the years I was born and lived in Nigeria, I didn't get or have any healthcare insurance. And then if you go to Ghana, you are going to observe that despite Ghana is a neighboring country, it has a high penetration of insurance and universal health insurances. Ghana is moving forward when it comes to their healthcare. Ghana is the pace setter, whether we want to accept it or not.
When it comes to healthcare system in Ghana and Nigeria, is totally different. And this Nigerian lady was so amazed and surprised to see that Ghanaians have health insurance, while in Nigeria she have never seen it or heard it before. Please do me well by liking the video.
The healthcare system in Ghana. I don't know if you know this. If you're a non-Ghanaian, this might be the first time you are going to be hearing what I'm going to say, and even some Nigerians will be hearing this for the first time. In most developed countries, when it comes to their health sectors, everyone, every citizen, whether you are 1 day old, 5 days old, 10 years old, 100 years old, you are expected to have a card called insurance card. In Ghana, if you are pregnant, any pregnant woman in Ghana do not pay any hospital bill provided you are giving birth in a Ghanaian government hospital. It is totally free of charge. And then if you are 60 years and above, you are also going to be treated free of charge. This is one thing, one good thing Ghana is doing in regards to their health system. The Ghana Medical Center, the giant hospital they built for their medical students, and trust me, other citizens will also be coming in to get medical treatment as well. And that is what is leading me to talk about the medical system or healthcare system that is currently running in Ghana. When I was in Nigeria, I didn't know about anything like health insurance. I was naive. It was when I left Nigeria, I came to know that health insurance really is existing. But the truth is, so many Nigerians are either not informed, I do not have good knowledge about that, do not have good education, good understanding about health insurance. I'm going to say that we have not done advertisement or marketing enough to tell people how important it is to get a healthcare insurance. So it is not rampant. For the years I was born and lived in Nigeria, I didn't get or have any healthcare insurance. Those people who really have healthcare insurance are those who are working in very big organizations, those who are working in the oil and gas industries, those who are working with MTNs, those who are working with very, very big organizations, both local and international organizations. But those who are working in just small private settings do not really have or know what insurance is about. And another thing why people do not go for these insurances in Nigeria is because, apart from the fact they are not so well informed about it, another reason why people are scared of getting health insurance is because, from what my friend told me, I have a friend who was working with a very big organization, I don't want to mention name, and she told me when she goes to use her insurance card, what the hospital is going to give her is paracetamol, little medications. Okay, when it is something serious, they are going to tell you that your insurance do not cover it. So with this, she personally has nothing good to say about it. She's going to tell you, no, that this health insurance is a scam. So this is another belief, another reason why people in Nigeria do not take healthcare insurance seriously, and the fact that our government hasn't really thrown more enlightenment, haven't really enlightened people about the different kinds of insurance or the importance of having insurance is another reason why people are not even thinking of it. So personally, when I was in Nigeria, if you have come to tell me about getting a health insurance card or blah, 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 trust me, I couldn't have even gone for it because I wasn't as informed as I am now. And then if you go to Ghana, you are going to observe that despite Ghana is a neighboring country, it has a high penetration of insurance and universal health insurances. Ghana is moving forward when it comes to their healthcare. Ghana is the pace setter, whether we want to accept it or not, in West Africa. In as much as Nigeria is a big country, in Ghana, if you have a healthcare insurance, you are going to pay as little as 5 Ghana cedis. But without that card, you are going to pay as much as 35 Ghana cedis. Polyclinics in Ghana are also quite affordable. Even foreigners in Ghana have healthcare insurance. If you don't have a healthcare insurance in Ghana and you fall sick, you are going to spend a ridiculous amount. It is just so everywhere. Any country that you don't have a healthcare insurance, you are going to spend so much. I remember when I came here, I got my healthcare insurance. When I had my baby, I paid little or nothing, despite the fact I had my baby through cesarean section. But without that insurance, I was expected to pay about 11,000 riyals, and that was above 1 million naira. So can you see the differences? So when you get to a country, one of the things you should try as much as you can is to find out how their healthcare system works, how their health insurance works, and try to get one for your own good. I will also be talking about the differences between a private and a public hospital in Ghana. The private hospitals in Ghana are very fast. They are going to attend to you quickly. Whatever medication you get from the private hospitals or from the polyclinics, you are equally going to get it from the government-owned hospitals. In Nigeria, we totally have the mindset that in government hospitals, you are not going to get the required attention. And that is why most times when you are sick and when you want to get a proper health check, then you have to do yourself some good and get yourself to a private hospital. But in Ghana, it is not the trend. In Ghana, I will recommend you go to the government-owned hospital. The only challenge you are going to have as a foreigner is if you don't speak Twi language well. If you don't speak and you don't understand, that is going to be a major problem on your side. The major disadvantage of government hospital is you are not attended to on time because of the population, because of the large number of people who are also waiting for or seeking the attention of other medical personnel. The whole process is equally slow. In the government hospital, it is not a team of first come, first serve, especially if you do not understand Twi.
It might sound funny, but a lot of people in Nigeria do not even know what is health insurance. A lot of the mothers, the fathers do not have the knowledge of what is health insurance, because in our country, it's not that common to hear about it. If you are not working in a big organization like this lady have said, trust me, you don't have access to it. That is why you see us doing this video, because we want to create awareness for our leaders. We have come to Ghana to see all these things in Ghana. We have come to see electricity. We have come to see good educational system, good health care system. We have come to see the way the country is so peaceful. We are trying to create awareness for our leaders to also do something about these things, because these are the basic things of living in a society. You don't need to cut a leg for you to get access to these things. Like this lady have said, she do not know about it before moving to Ghana. A lot of us who have no knowledge about how this thing works. But in Ghana, you can literally get access to health insurance. I personally have health insurance here in Ghana. As a Nigerian, I have mine. But in Nigeria, I do not have it. So if our leaders can be able to do this basic thing in the country, at least at this era we are supposed to have these things in our country. You know, it's not nice that Nigeria people do not have knowledge about health insurance. So I think that the government need to sit up, at least let this thing be known. Let people have access to it. Not only the people that is working in a big organization to have access. It should be all over the country, because even sometimes, even with the fact that you have it in Nigeria, those people that are also having access to it, it's not guaranteed that you're going to the hospital and you get 20% discount. But in Ghana, I personally have used mine before. At least when you show them your health insurance card, you are going to get some percentage deducting from your amount of money you need to pay. So Nigerians leaders need to just put things in place and, let people have access to these things as a people or as the citizens of the country. So please, at this point, if you have not liked the video, do me well by also liking the video, and don't forget to also comment your thoughts below on the comment section. If you're Ghanaian, if you're Nigerian, if you're from anywhere in the world, feel free to share your thoughts with us on the comment section. And don't forget to also like the video share with a friend who would like to watch this video with you. And please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do be aware by also hitting on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you're not going to miss out on my amazing future content. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now and stay blessed.